So I've always kind of thought my floors were pretty clean until I saw what high temperature steam can actually pull up from my floors. This isn't just another vacuum mop. This is the Dreame Aero Pro Steam vacuum mop. And the entire point of this thing is steam, real steam. Once you see 392-degree steam hit dried grease, ketchup, butter, hair, crumbs, and sticky spills in one pass, regular mopping starts to feel pretty outdated. Today, I'm putting this through a real kitchen and bathroom test with messy floors, dried stains, mixed debris, and hair to see what I can actually do with this thing. And the craziest part, it's doing all of this with no chemical cleaners, just water turned into high temperature steam. The Aero Pro Steam uses continuous 392 degrees steam that goes downward to the floor and cleans. So instead of simply dragging a damp roller across the mess, the steam is actively breaking down the grease, dried stains, sticky residue, and grime, while the vacuum side pulls everything up. That's the real difference here. And for homes with pets or kids, I like the fact that this is chemical-free cleaning. No harsh floor cleaners, no strong detergent smells, just water converted into steam. It's a powerful cleaner. Now, my floors that I'm showing you here are actually wood-like tile, just a disclaimer there. This is where it gets really fun. So I set up a pretty nasty mix here in our kitchen, and my wife does not like it when I do this. Please don't tell her I did this again. But we've got dried on ketchup, hardened butter, sticky sauce, crumbs, hair, coffee spills, and a little bit of oatmeal just for fun. And instead of cleaning each one separately, I wanted to see how it handled everything together in one single pass. The first thing that I noticed is the steam itself. It's visible steam. With some backlighting, you can actually see it really well. The steam rolling across the floor as it breaks down the mess underneath. And that's important because the steam isn't blasting out randomly. It's directed downward into the floor where the dirt actually lives. That gives it a lot more cleaning power compared to wiping it. Watch this dried ketchup section here. Normally with a regular mop, you'd smear this around first and then go back over it several more times to get it all up. Here though, the steam softens it immediately while the 28K pascals of suction pulls everything away in the same pass. The butter test was also impressive because butter usually leaves behind a very greasy film on your floors. After one slow pass, the floor didn't feel oily at all.
This is just where that butter was a couple seconds ago, and there's no nasty greasy film on this. Nice, dry, not tacky. Steam is the way to go.
You're not just moving residue around and leaving some kind of film on the floor. And because this is vacuuming and mopping at the same time, it handles wet spills and dry debris together instead of requiring multiple cleaning tools, not to mention effort. For everyday messes, that's a huge convenience when it comes to the Dreame Aero Pro. Now, let's make things even harder, like we haven't done so already. I've got hair crumbs, liquid spills, dried ketchup again, and sticky residue all mixed together in this one area. This actually is exactly the kind of messes that you guys probably deal with in your home. The Aero Pro Steam tackles everything at the same time. One pass picks up the solids, removes the liquid, and uses steam to break down the sticky residue underneath it. This is where the combination of steam and suction really does start to make sense as to why they designed it this way. Now let's move into my bathroom. Bathrooms are one of the places where steam cleaning makes a lot more sense because you're dealing with moisture residue to begin with, and areas that you want to keep as hygienic as possible because chances are you're walking barefoot in here. Again, this is all being done without chemical cleaners because you don't want to walk on chemically treated floors. I also like how easy it is for me to maneuver this around this smaller bathroom here. The body lays completely flat at 100 180 degrees, which makes it much easier to get underneath cabinets and into tighter spaces like I've got this floating vanity here. Dust, hair, and grime tend to collect in those hard to reach areas, and being able to slide the cleaner underneath without moving furniture is a big advantage, especially because I can't move this vanity. So going under it like this with 180 degrees just flat, that is a big win for me. But now let's talk hair, one of the pesky elements in cleaning. So I mixed together some hair, shorter hair, dog hair to test the TangleCut 2.0 system that's built into this. Because let's be honest here, one of the biggest complaints people have with floor washers is cleaning hair off the roller afterwards. It's a big pain. The Aero Pro Steam picked everything up without any issue. Of course, no surprise there. But afterward, the roller stayed surprisingly clean and of course, tangle-free. No giant hairs wrapped around in clumps, no digging hair out with scissors, no pulling tangled hair off the brush by hand either. So if you have pets or a household that sheds a lot, we're talking about human shedding, that's a feature you'll really appreciate every time you clean with this machine. It's also relatively quiet while running it, which makes it less disruptive during long cleaning sessions. After cleaning all of these messes, the roller obviously has some dirt on it. It's going to be expected. But instead of manually washing it yourself, you can activate the self-cleaning cycle on the docking station itself. The system uses high temperature steam here again and hot water to clean the roller while rotating it forward and backward. So it's actively removing grease, hair, and residue from the brush that you just got all nasty. The end result is a roller that's clean and ready for the next cleaning session. And the best part is you don't have to touch any of it other than dumping out the dirty water and filling it with clean water. But outside of that, it does the cleaning of the floors and the machine. But let's talk about battery life here a second. Battery life has been impressive on this because you get up to 70 minutes of runtime, which is enough for whole home cleaning on a single charge. The self-traction system also helps reduce effort because the cleaner naturally wants to move forward as you clean. It doesn't feel heavy or cumbersome to use it. I also like the hand-mounted display because it puts every important information about my cleaner where I'm already looking while I'm cleaning.
Really love how powerful the Dreame Aero Pro is. Overall, super highly recommend. Definitely a staple in our house now for cleaning up multiple messes and tricky messes and just messes in general. It's been fantastic. One thing that I will note is that when it is doing the self-cleaning, it is not charging, and it won't do the self-cleaning if you've completely depleted the battery. Like I've been running it for all these videos here and really drained the battery down there. Really good runtime, but just something to note that if you drain it all the way down, it will have to charge up some before you can run. And the self-cleaning does also use power, so just keep that in mind. In terms of timing things, you may have to let it charge for a little bit before you can push the self-cleaning button back here. Now, that one other note is that if you push it once, it'll do a regular self-cleaning. If you push it again within 3 seconds, it will do the steam, the hot steam cleaning on that roller brush, which I absolutely love being able to do that. But watch here. I think we're probably too depleted to run it.
Low battery. Please charge before engaging self-cleaning.
Yep, so this is what I'm talking about. So that's the only thing I've noticed, just something to keep in mind, but overall, love it.
After using it, the biggest takeaway is quite simple for me. Steam changes the cleaning experience far more than I ever expected, and it should be put at the top of your list when it comes to this type of cleaning. You can actually see it working too. And combining that steam cleaning with strong suction, wet and dry cleaning, anti-tangle performance, self-cleaning, and chemical-free operation makes this feel like a very complete cleaning package. And for its price range, the feature set is impressive, and the steam cleaning capabilities is what really separates it from a traditional floor washer. Don't forget to check the link in the description and use my code. The Aero Pro Steam is launching at 27% off for a limited time. Now just $439.99, valid until January 31st. And if you've never tried true high temperature steam cleaning before, this might be the product that changes your mind on using steam cleaning in your everyday life.